Hello students, today I am going to start my session with the chapter number 3 of macroeconomics. The topic is AGRA grades related to national income. Students, as I said, national income is really very important and very broad topic. Okay, and that's why there are so many AGRA grades related to national income. We will discuss one by one. The first one is gross domestic product at market price. In short, it's a abbreviation form. It's written like GDP at MP. I think you heard this word number of times. GDP at MP means gross domestic product at market price is the market value of final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country during the period of an accounting year. And students, here you can see it's available at the gross concept. It means inclusive of depreciation. Okay, so if in a question you will get NDP at MP, it means net domestic product at market price, and if you want turn NDP at MP into GDP at MP, so you need to add only depreciation. Then the equation will be NDP at MP plus depreciation, then it will become GDP at MP. Okay, the second point is net domestic product at market price. In the abbreviation form, it's written like NDP at MP. NDP at MP equals to GDP at MP minus depreciation. Students, net domestic product at market price is the market value final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country during the period of an accounting year, and here you can see it's a net concept. It means exclusive of depreciation, or maybe we can say when we have GDP at MP, then we need to reduce or subtract the depreciation from the GDP at MP, then easily we can get NDP at MP. Okay. The third aggregate is gross national product at market price. In the abbreviation form, GNP at MP. I think यहाँ पे आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. This earlier topic was related to the domestic concept, and this N refer as a national. It means national product. Okay. So gross national product at market price is the sum total of gross domestic product at market price and net factory income from abroad. Yes. If you have GDP at MP, in my previous lecture, I had already explained about that, how domestic income turned into national income. There is only one key component of it, and this component is only net factor income from abroad. In short, we can call it NFIA. Okay. The next one is net national product at market price. In short, we can write NNP at MP. Net national product at market price is the sum total of net domestic product at market price and net factor income from abroad. Students, here you should understand gross national product at market price and net national product at market price. National product market price. What is the difference? Gross and net. It means again, what is the difference between GNP MP and NNP MP? Only the one difference, and the difference is only depreciation. Okay. So according to the equation, NDP MP plus NFIA, net factor income from abroad, when you will add it, then you will get NNP at MP. Okay. The fifth concept is gross domestic product at factor cost. In short, we can write GDP at FC. Students, it means also gross domestic product, but it is available at the factor cost. It means it's not found on the market price. Okay. So that here the equation is given: compensation of employees plus rent plus interest plus profit and plus depreciation. Then we can get GDP at FC. It means gross domestic product at factor cost is a sum total of factor cost incurred on the production of final goods and services within the domestic territory of a country during an accounting year, inclusive of depreciation, because it's available at the gross concept. Okay. The next one is sixth. net domestic product at factor cost. In short, we can write NDP at FC. Net domestic product at factor cost is the sum total of factor cost incurred on the production of final goods and services with the domestic territory of a country during an accounting year. That's why in the equation form we can write like CO is the short form of compensation of employees. Okay. R refer for rent, I for interest and P for profit. So when we will add all this four, compensation of employees plus rent plus interest plus profit, then we can get NDP at FC. Students, here you can see what is the difference between GDP at FC and NDP at FC. It's also domestic, product, factor cost. Then what is the difference? Gross and net. In the equation also you can see all components are same, except then here earlier we were adding a depreciation and here we are not adding the depreciation. Okay. Now the seventh concept is gross national product at factor cost. It means GNP at FC. Gross national product at factor cost is the sum total of gross domestic product at factor cost and net factor income from abroad. In simple, we can say if we have GDP at MP, GDP at FC in the question, then we need to add only NFIA, net factor income from abroad. Then we can get GNP at FC, it means gross national product at factor cost. Okay. The eighth concept is, the eighth aggregate is net national product at factor cost. This one we can call it as national income. National income is always available at the net concept, at the national product, and always available at the factor cost. It means the actual cost of the production. It's very simple to find out. If in the question directly given NDP at FC, okay, then if NDP at FC is given, we need to add only NFIA, net factor income from abroad, then we can get NNP at FC. Students, in the concept number 8, net national product at factor cost. Net national product at factor cost is the sum total of net domestic product at factor cost and net factor income from abroad. So in short, we can write NDP FC plus NFIA, then it will become NNP at FC. Okay, students, these all are the 8 concepts related to the calculation of national income. Okay, but these all are found that it's quite difficult. Okay, but here there is a one easiest equation, okay, that I found. GDP at MP, if we have a gross domestic product at market price, okay, then how can we convert this GDP MP into NNPFC? It's very easy for us. GDP MP minus depreciation, then gross turn into net. Okay, so just it will become GDP at MP minus depreciation, then we can get NDP at MP. If we would like to convert domestic into national, so net will be net, and when we will add NFIA, net factor income from abroad, then this domestic income will convert into national income. Okay, then MP. How the MP convert into FC? In my previous lecture, I had already explained. MP turn into FC only when we subtract the NIT. Okay, NIT means net indirect taxes. Okay, so NNP at MP minus NIT, net indirect taxes. So net national product at factor cost. This one is our ultimate answer. Okay, so I think that I try my best to explain the all different aggregates related to the national income. Thank you.